Are you a freelancer facing inconsistent income? Or are you someone who want to start freelancing? Then this is the exact roadmap you required in 2025 and 2026 to get a massive success and a huge earnings inside freelancing. Trust me, whatever I said this in this video, you can take this video clip and share it with any freelancers who is earning big amount in any industry, and also take this and paste it on any ChatGPT or any AI tools. Ask, this is what this guy said. Is this true that we need this roadmap? This is what exactly we need. You will get the answer. Let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Virender Chowdhury. People know me as Hello Viru, and I am the founder and CEO traderschool.com, which is hashtag one business school for freelancers, where we help freelancers to become top 1% in the world. So let's get started. You remember one system or a name or a framework, which is NOPPF. You dream, you live, you walk, you sleep, you eat. Only NOPPF. Okay. So let's get started with what is NOPPF, which stands for N, niche. AI is becoming more advanced. You really can't serve everyone. Trust me, you don't need to be a generalist. You have to be a specialist. Choose your niche. Niche doesn't mean only industry or a skill. I will tell you, there is a formula which I follow. IPSS. Okay. I stand for identify. Which industry do you want to serve as a freelancer? Where do you see the biggest gap? This is the first important thing. P stands for problem. Identify a problem in that industry. What specific problem people are facing in that industry, so that I can go and solve it. Right? So, third one, which is S, stands for solution. Okay. What solution you can offer them for that particular problem what they are facing. And last, S stands for skill. Through what skill you want to solve that? Through performance marketing you want to solve, through coaching you want to solve, through SEO you want to solve, through any medium, any skill, content creation, through content creation you want to solve. That is niche. Niche, whatever it is, niche. Okay. The most important thing is like IPSS, identify, find a problem, find the solution, and get the skill through which do you want to solve that. That is the first thing that you want to do. Please, this is very important, trust me. And second, O stands for offer. If you come to me and say, hey Viru, thank you so much. I will provide content marketing services to you and I charge 10,000 rupees. I'll ask two questions. What result do you want to bring, and why are you charging 10,000? If you do not have a particular clear answer, you are out, my friend. Not only me, if you want to serve high paying clients, they look at results. Don't go and say, I provide content marketing services. Instead, I say, I can 2x your lead generation completely organic through content marketing services within next 30 to 45 days. That's the result. You're saying you will 2x leads what I'm going to generate right now through content marketing services. That's the result. Okay. And you should have a pricing attached to it. Don't just blindly say, I'll charge 10,000 rupees. I charge 15,000 rupees. I charge 20,000 rupees. Hourly rates, leave it, yeah. Okay. And also one-time projects, I don't want you to concentrate much on that. For time being, it's okay. But always look at something, a monthly retainer clients. Don't just offer a logo. Instead, offer branding services every month. Getting my point? So you should create a irresistible offer which clients can't deny. Okay, how can I say you this with an example? Okay, you're working with a real estate client. Imagine a flat in Mumbai or Hyderabad, 2 BHK costs 1 crore. Let us blindly assume this. And you tell the real estate client, I can help you sold your next 2 flats in 45 days. Now you need to assume what is the outcome of revenue that client generated and what is the effort you're putting in, and any X percentage you can charge, 1% of the whole 2 flat sale or 2%, 3%. This is my charges. You should always have a logic attached to it. Don't just simply say, niche, offer. Very important. Very, very important. Okay. Let's go to the next one. P stands for positioning. Generalist was a specialist. Let us imagine if somebody has a heart problem. Do you think that they'll go to a general physician? Doesn't make any sense. Correct? They'll go to heart surgeon only. So you should position yourself like a specialist in the niche what you have chosen and in the offer what you are providing. You should position yourself like a specialist. How? Very simple. Start talking about the problem which that particular industry is facing and create solution based videos continuously, consistently, so that you can build some authority and positioning in that particular problem. What if Viru already there is a problem but solution is already existed? Good question. Okay. How can I tell you this? Okay. Imagine you want to travel from Bangalore to Mumbai. Okay. There is only one way of transport, which is through bus. Imagine. So hardly how much time it will take? 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours. So the solution is available. If I want to travel from Bangalore to Mumbai, yes, there is a solution available. But can you make it faster? Can you make it quick? Can you reduce the time? You can introduce flights where somebody can travel from Bangalore to Mumbai within 1-2 hours. That's what you can also create. Always don't look out if there is solution or not. If already a solution is existed, how can you make it better? I hope you're getting my point. And next, P stands for personal brand. Do you have a personal brand? You know, I don't want to tell you the number, but majority of the clients or even my students or anyone, they search my name and trader school name or they search your name on the internet. Could be Google, could be Instagram, wherever it is. If you did not found, you are having a very less chances that you're going to get a project. Personal brand is the next big thing. So you just search Hello Viro on the Google. You will find me like an internet personality. Go and search it on Instagram. You will find 270, 280K followers. On YouTube, 160K followers. At least, does this guarantee getting a project? No, but it will give you an advantage. Add on. Start your personal brand. Most important thing. Last, F stands for funnel. Do you have a funnel? Bro, I started running ads for Trado School and it's been almost 6-7 months consistently. I'm getting predictable and consistent leads every month who's joining Trado community. Every day, 80 to 100 people join Trado community. That comes around 3,000 people. That's my predictable funnel. And out of which I can convert few people into paid mentorship, one-to-one mentorship, group coaching calls. If they require my services, if they require Trado School services. But do you have any predictable and consistent income funnel? Or you're looking out on the sky and saying, today I'll get one referral. Oh, my Baju auntie or uncle will suggest me a project or they'll give me a project. That's why most freelancers are going to quit. Next big thing in India and the world is self-employed and freelancing and agency business only. 50% of workforce will be freelancers. I'm not saying the data says you can go and search it on the internet. You're sitting on a gold mine if you're a freelancer watching this video. You're just not knowing. That's it. Getting my point? NOPPF is what you need. This is the only roadmap you need in order to succeed and get high paying clients and build a 1 lakh per month freelancing business consistently. I hope you like this. Please like this video and comment your thoughts and do let me know what videos you're expecting from me and what topics do I need to create videos. I will help you on that same. Please do subscribe and turn on the bell notification. See you with the next video. Thank you.